I never see the lights out, they got me overdrive. Fancy on a fast car, this is how you make me feel. Don't stress me now, I got the other thoughts, I'm feeling it in my bones. And if you say that I'm lying to you, you say it's a killing me. I wish I could fall asleep, the problem is
and we are set. So this rack is gonna be a really nice add-on to working underneath the car, on the side of the car, and any other thing around the garage. So today I'm getting the oil changed, changing the filter. The link is going to be in the description for how you can change your Corolla 208 to 2013 oil, how you can flush it out, how you can also change your filter. So let me get my tools and put this rolling tool seat in use. Everything's set. I have everything underneath the seat, everything that I need for the oil change. This is really convenient. I don't need to walk around, get stuff that I forgot. I can have everything here when I need it and just move around conveniently. So this is going to be a perfect addition to all the work around the car, around the garage, and anywhere else. So get yourself one of this. Really nice. Thank you for tuning in. Like the videos, watch the videos, and please subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.